guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Morgan and I'm a homeschooling mom to 4 kids. I have homeschooled them from the very beginning, and let me tell you, it has been quite a journey. But it is getting better. Every year I feel like it gets better and better, and so that is some good news for you guys. If you're just starting out and having a rocky beginning, it does get better. Every year you will learn things, you will change things, and you'll just find your own routine. You'll find your own flow of how things need to be. And I feel like we are getting there. Like every year we just find things that are working for us and we just keep improving. So that is some hope for you guys if you are new to homeschooling. But anyway, I wanted to come and give you a homeschool update because we've been doing school for about 2 months now. We started early August, which we did start a little bit early this year because the kids just wanted to start. I don't know why they did. So we went ahead and started, and I just want to kind of tell you how things are going, if any changes are being made, because it seems like every year I seem to change so many things when we're homeschooling. So anyway, this year, well, just recently, like a week ago, I started this. We're starting our homeschool day off with a read aloud. I wasn't doing this before, but it seems to be working really well to ease us into the school day. It's just to sit down and read with everybody. I'm gonna do a read aloud video with all our scheduled read alouds for this year. So stay tuned for that. And it's been really nice just to sit down with the kids and just, they can work on their handwriting or they can color, whatever they're, to keep them a little bit busy. We just do our read aloud, and that really helps to ease us into the day. So that's one thing that we've just started. Anyway, so I guess I could start off with Bible because we usually will do Bible after our read aloud. And so our Bible is from Not Consumed by Kim Sorges, and we are doing the Fruit of the Tongue, and we're almost done with it. We have about 3 or 4 more lessons to go. I have to say it's been very good. The kids seem to like it, and I think they are, because they do remember things that we've talked about, because I'll hear them talking to each other about it sometimes, or they'll mention it to me, things that they have learned. So I think it's been really good. I'm really glad that we did it. So, but I will probably do more of her units or Bible studies. I'm not sure what they're called, but she has a bunch of different ones, like obedience, I think, My Brother's Keeper. There's like a list of them, but I think we'll probably be doing more of these in the future. So it's been really good so far. And of course, you know that we love Master Books. If you've watched any of my other videos, Master Books has been a godsend to us. We do math lessons for living education for my 3rd grader and my 1st grader. They're doing this. My older daughter's doing teaching textbooks. I'll get to that in a minute. But when we found this, it was pretty much just amazing. My daughter, my 3rd grader now, she last year was struggling really bad with math, and I wasn't sure what to do. We were coming from like Abeka and things like that, and it wasn't working. And when we come up, this was recommended to me from somebody, but when we found this, it just completely changed. It wasn't overwhelming her, and she wasn't dreading it so much, and we were getting our work done, and she was learning. And then now she doesn't dread math. She does her math just fine. So I can't say enough good things about Master Books. I just love it. A lot of people will down this, saying it's not enough. I don't know. I am the complete opposite of that. It has been wonderful. So we will be sticking with this until we get to the point where maybe I can move her into teaching textbooks, if that ever happens. My oldest daughter is doing teaching textbooks, and it's been great too. We're also doing the language lessons from Master Books, and I love language lessons from Master Books. The lessons are short, like I've said. we can get our school done and not be taking all day. They're getting little pieces every day of information, and they're not getting overwhelmed with it. So it's been perfect for what I'm trying to create in our homeschool. So this is the perfect curriculum. To me, I don't know. Some people don't like it. This has been amazing. So, master books. Okay, so teaching textbooks. I have to say I love teaching textbooks because I don't have to teach math. That is like a big deal, okay? I am not good at math. Okay, I've always hated math. I'm just not a math person. I'm not good with numbers. So math is very important. So I need my kids to not be, messed up by my math teaching. So I'm going to work in getting them into teaching textbooks. My daughter's doing this right now. We have no complaints with it so far. She's been doing wonderful with it. It's grading everything for me. I don't know. I think it's just great, amazing. So that is that. And this year we're doing The Good and the Beautiful for history and science, and we're doing handwriting also. So we've never used them before. Like last year we didn't use them, but I wanted to kind of do something where we could do some subjects together, so that's why I went with Good and the Beautiful. Let me show you. This is the history from The Good and the Beautiful. I really like it personally. The first unit was Ancient Egypt, and the kids loved Ancient Egypt. My only problem was we was really getting into it, and the kids were just loving it. The first unit ended, and that was just a real bit. It was a bummer. So we went into the Middle Ages, which is the next one, and you can tell they're just not as excited about it as they were with the first one. So that was just, I don't know. I wish that one could have been longer. I don't know. They were really doing good with it. I guess I could have extended it and just put the book aside for a while, but I didn't do that. So. But we went on into the Middle Ages, which is a little more on the boring side, but there is a lot of stuff in history that is kind of boring, so. But hopefully it will all work out, so. I don't really have any complaints about it so far. It's been pretty good, so. I mean, I like it probably way more than the kids do because I like history, so. But it's been pretty good. And we're also doing science, so we were doing the energy unit first, and that was the plan. And we got Water in Our World in the mail, and the kids wanted to switch over and do that one instead because they liked how it looked better. I don't know if I'll be able to show you this because it might glare. Water in Our World. It's been really good. We haven't got too far into it though, but so far the kids are really liking it. They have a lot of, something new that they do is they do videos of the experiments, so you don't have to do the experiments, which we'll do 1 or 2 of the activities or experiments, and then we'll watch the rest of them, which is making it a lot easier on me than doing like all the stuff that they have, because they have a lot of experiments and activities most of the time. So the fact that they're doing the videos now is a huge help. So far we're really liking it. And another thing from The Good and the Beautiful that we're using is their handwriting. This book, guys, has seen better days. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty messed up, okay? I don't know what my daughter has been doing to this book. I feel sorry for it. But it's been a really good book. I love how they teach. I don't know, the cursive in it has been really good.
Can we make one bag of popcorn?
Yes, if you let Claire do it. I let him watch a video so I could do this video. But anyway, so the cursive, I love how they teach cursive. They have like this, I'm probably not going to be able to show you this in here. They have this code up here. It tells you which color to go to next in a row when they're doing their letters. It's been very helpful. It's a really good way teaching cursive. And so we are loving the handwriting. My 4-year-old is even doing, I bought the pre-K handwriting, and he's doing it, so, which isn't really letters or anything, but it's just teaching them how to do shapes or draw lines and just different stuff like that. So we're loving the handwriting. So that is, well, no, I didn't mention spelling. Spelling has been the one thing I've not been super happy about, which it works. We're doing sequential spelling, and there's nothing really wrong with it. It's just been very dry and very boring for the kids. And I feel like I want to change it. I just don't know what I want to change it with or change it to yet, or just use what I got and tweak it to work for us, which is probably what I'll wind up doing, is just taking those books and making it our own. Maybe do some games with the words. Just, I don't know. I'm just not liking how it's going so far. So, I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm doing on that yet. Like I said, things will change throughout the year. It always says. Nothing can ever just be perfect, right? So, but anyway, that is how homeschool is going. Everything's going pretty good, with the exception of a couple things, and that is our update. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.